In today's video, I'm going to show you how to simplify and organize a complex timeline and make that much easier for you to work with and to organize. After that, next we are going to show you how to create a fusion composition on one of your fusion that you have created and make it seamlessly used for other projects or to send that fusion clip to others. Finally, after that, I will reveal a handy trick for importing a fusion composition into your timeline, helping you avoid the common frustrations that come with the process. So let's get started. DaVinci Resolve for everyone. If you got a bunch of things in your timeline that were all created to work together, maybe something like an intro or a special call out or an outro or something that you've been building on, and you're scared to change something in it. So like when you grab something, you can move it and then it's all out of sync. So it no longer is all lined up where you had it. You can make everything combined into one. Just highlight everything in that section, right click and go to new compound clip. And you can name it to whatever you want. In this case, we're going to name it outro. And then just create. Now it all just collapses down into one line. And this is all editable, so you can change anything. For example, if you want, you can change the position and rotate it. So if you rotate the position, everything within that clip, the text, anything else that you have, everything goes with it. It also creates it so that it goes up into your media page. So if you accidentally delete it from down below, if you delete it by accident or something happens to it, and then you can always put it back on. If you want to adjust a single clip within inside of this after you've compressed it, you just go up and you want to decompress in place using clips only, and that will put everything back to the way it was. After you work in Fusion for a little while, you might be wondering, how do I export a Fusion comp so that I can use this in other projects, and how would I save it separately to my project? And here's a neat little way to do that. And here I have this neat little camera roll. You go to the Fusion tab, open up the Fusion comp that I've made, and it's a short little photo roll. I want to take this composition and export it somewhere on my hard drive to kind of back it up. Or maybe I want to change the images later and use it in a different scenario. So the simple way to do that is to just go up into your file and export a Fusion composition. Once you export your Fusion composition, it will tell you what you want to name it. And just name it whatever it is that you want and save it. And that saves it to the location that you specified in that file. Now, if I have another project that I want to work on or start, I can add this to that timeline. I can right click here on that timeline and at that time click on new Fusion clip. It will put a Fusion clip on top of this. Then you just go to the Fusion page and click on that, and then go File, Import, Fusion Composition. And once you do that, it will overwrite this current Fusion page. So if there's something in here that you want to keep, make sure that you are not overwriting it. So import Fusion Composition, select the ones that you want, open it, and now you have your whole complete Fusion timeline here. And it's ready to go. A couple of little things is, one, when you go to File and you try to import a Fusion, you will notice that it is grayed out and it will not allow you to do this. So what you have to do is have a clip already on your timeline and then go into the Fusion page. And once you're in the Fusion page, this will come up as far as a blank Fusion composition. So remember, before, when you go to import your Fusion composition and you click on the one that you want, remember it's going to overwrite anything that is in here. So if this is something that you want to save, you need to create a new Fusion. Just open that and then that imports everything. That's just something to remember. You cannot import from the file direct from the Fusion composition. You cannot do that from the edit page. It has to be done from the Fusion tab.